13th, we had the honor to host Sam Warner, distinguished Toastmaster, professional speaker, and trader, who delivered a very insightful workshop on how to prepare a TEDx talk as part of our educational moments section we had on the agenda that day. The topic was rather timely, given that at the time, a TEDx event was actually being held. First of all, I would like to say that we are very grateful to Sam for taking the time out of her schedule, out of her busy schedule, to address our club, and that we feel very fortunate and privileged to be visited by speakers of such a high caliber. Sam managed in a very short amount of time to condense her extensive knowledge on the specific topic and convey to us all the necessary valuable information ranging from the application process to the actual delivery of the speech. She explained the concept of the TEDx and how it was created as a spin-off from the original TED events. And she made us also consider the reasons as to why one should deliver a TEDx talk and the ultimate benefits one hopes to get out of it. She highlighted the originality feature a speech should have in order to be selected. And as she vibrantly stated, and I quote here, "We are looking for someone that has a burning idea that will stay alive till they get it out." And last but not least, she highlighted the fact that the TEDx teams, in which many Toastmasters actually participate, provide the necessary support in form of rehearsals in order for the speakers to be properly prepared ahead of the big day, pointing out at the same time that participation to the event is not limited to professional speakers alone. What I particularly appreciated was Sam's unique presentation style. Throughout the whole presentation, Sam was both witty and informative. She had a great sense of humor and theatricality, and those are key features that helped her draw the attention of the audience. Her presentation has definitely served as a first step guide to get to know the particulars of TEDx talks. But the thing that I think impacted us the most was the fact that speaking with such a great deal of passion and enthusiasm, she managed to instill to us the idea that any one of us could actually take part in such an event as a speaker, as long as they have a worth spreading idea to the world. So on behalf of HAU Toastmasters, I would like to thank Sam Warner for this memorable presentation and hope that she will join us again sometime soon in the future.
Athens Toastmasters, thank you so much for having me. I had a really great time when I visited you on a couple of occasions to deliver some training. And I'm just really glad that you asked me, because I got to meet a vibrant, supportive club with some fantastic potential. I love the way that you are supportive of each other, some really good quality evaluations in there, which is the golden nugget of Toastmasters. And I can see your club becoming incredibly successful, even more than it is already. And I can tell there's going to be winning speeches coming out of the club because you're committed to your personal development. So congratulations on a really brilliant club. I really enjoyed myself. And who knows, maybe I'll come back for a visit soon.